Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here. So in today's society, a lot of people see credit cards as a one-way ticket to debt. That makes sense since about 37% of Americans have some form of credit card debt. And the average American's debt balance is around $5,700. But even with these dismal stats, credit cards have many upsides to them that you can take advantage of with responsible use. So in this video, I'll outline 5 reasons why I have 15 credit cards and the benefits of having credit cards. I hope this video provides you value and gives you new perspectives on credit cards. So let's get right into the video. But first, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. So the first 2 reasons I'm going to say are going to be related to credit scores. And pretty much what a credit score is, it's pretty much a number that is used by different lending institutions to determine your ability to pay back your loan, or your credit worthiness, like they say. The first reason is credit utilization. Credit utilization is the amount of credit that you use divided by the amount of credit that is available to you. The lower your credit utilization rate, the less of a negative factor it plays against your credit score. For example, let's say I had $1,000 of credit extended to me and I used 200 of that $1,000 of credit. Then my credit utilization rate would be 20%, or it would be $200 divided by $1,000. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your credit score. It's the second greatest factor determining your credit score, right behind on-time payments. Each credit issuer out there, credit issuer would be, for example, like Amex or Chase or Capital One, to give you some examples, have different algorithms that they use to determine how much credit they'll extend to a specific borrower. Applying to multiple credit card accounts from different issuers allows you to maximize the most amount of credit that you could possibly get. And then there are some issuers out there that will cap the amount of credit available to give to you, no matter how many of the cards that you have out with them. This is why it's very important to apply not only for multiple cards, but multiple cards with different issuers. So you're able to decrease your credit utilization rate by increasing the amount of credit that's available to you. The second reason is also, like I said, is also related to your credit score, is the length of your credit history. So 15% of your credit score is based solely off the average length of all your credit accounts. So if you have 2 accounts open, one account has been open for 1 year, and then you had another account that was open for 3 years, the average history between those 2 accounts would be 2 years. So that would be what they'll use to determine your credit score. Obviously, the longer that average length of time is, the less of a negative impact it has on your credit score. By opening up multiple accounts over time, what that allows you to do is that allows you to mitigate your risk or your dependency on one credit account staying open. The credit issuers at any time can close down your account for any reason. Most of the time it's usually because of it's either the misuse of a credit card or some of the credit card reward systems, or it's from the lack of use of a specific credit card. So opening up multiple credit cards mitigates your risk. So if you were to have your oldest account closed, you have other accounts that you could look to try to drive up your average. The third reason why I have so many credit cards is because of credit card sign-up bonuses. So most credit cards, when you sign up for them, they'll offer you some kind of sign-up bonus. And basically the way it works is that they'll give you a certain amount of points or cash back, depending on the reward system of the card, if you spend a certain amount of money within a certain amount of time on that credit card. So for example, currently right now, the American Express Gold Card offers you 40,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on the card within the first 3 months of you having the card. Link down below. In some cases, some of these sign-up bonuses can be worth thousands of dollars. Sign up for multiple credit cards gives you multiple opportunities to take advantage of these sign-up bonuses. Reason number 4 is because of credit card rewards points or cash back that credit cards offer. So after you get the sign-up bonus, most credit cards offer you either cash back or rewards points on a variety of different categories. There's some that will give you cash back on groceries, there's some that will give you cash back on movie theaters, restaurants, there's some that will give you cash back on any expense you make on the card. There's some that'll give you cash back or even rewards points for travel. The list goes on and on. There's many different categories you could take advantage of. And if you use your credit card to make a majority of your expenses, you could make almost hundreds of dollars of free money just by simply using a credit card instead of a debit card. In some cases, these rewards can also even be used to sponsor free travel as well. The fifth reason why I have so many credit cards is because why not? If you use credit cards responsibly, there's literally almost no downside to you holding on to multiple credit cards. Most credit cards don't have an annual fee that you have to pay to hold the credit card, and holding multiple credit cards it actually helps your credit score instead of hurts it. So it's actually in your best interest to hold multiple credit cards. So here are the 5 reasons why I have 15 credit cards. Having multiple credit cards has many positive benefits and almost no downside. Credit cards can also help you build your credit score and save you a lot of money in the long term, as long as it's used responsibly. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the information or perspective given in this video, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you'd like to be notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, I encourage you to leave them in the comment section down below. I respond to every comment that's posted. And also, while you're down there, check out the link for Webull, where you can get 2 free stocks, each of them worth anywhere from $800 to $1,600, and you'll get those 2 free stocks after you deposit $100. And think about it, you don't have to keep the $100 in there. You can just deposit it, get your 2 free stocks, liquidate the stocks, take all the money out, and call it a day. So get your 2 free stocks. They're 100% free. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I try to post there every day. And thank you for watching. Until next time.